Take a ride in the 2016 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.